There comes a time in life when darkness surrounds us from all sides. When we look around in this crowded world and we feel completely alone. Have you ever felt that? That heavy silence where no one understands your pain? This is exactly what happened to a young man named Rohan. Rohan was a simple, hard-working young man living in a small village. He was honest, he was kind, and his heart was full of dreams. But fortune doesn't always favor the brave immediately. In the span of just 1 year, Rohan lost everything. His small business collapsed, leaving him buried under a mountain of debt. And then, the cruelest blow of all, a tragic accident took away both his parents. The home that was once filled with laughter became haunted by a deafening silence. The villagers? Some mocked him behind his back, others looked at him with pity. But no one, absolutely no one, came forward to put a hand on his shoulder and say, "Don't worry, Rohan, everything will be okay." Rohan began to feel isolated. A question kept burning in his mind. "God, I never hurt anyone. Why is this happening to me? Can you not hear my cry?" Overwhelmed by despair, Rohan walked to the edge of the village one afternoon. There stood a massive, ancient banyan tree near the river. Under its shade lived an old man, a mysterious figure the villagers called the Master. The Master spoke very little. He was sitting on a wooden bench, carving a piece of wood with deep focus. His face held a strange, calm serenity. Rohan stood before him, his heart bursting with pain. He couldn't hold it in anymore. He screamed, tears streaming down his face. "Master, my life is over. I have no one. Even God has abandoned me." The Master stopped his work. He looked at Rohan over his glasses, calm and composed, but he said nothing. He simply went back to carving the wood. Rohan got angry. "I am dying inside, and you sit there in silence? Tell me, what should I do?" Finally, the Master spoke. His voice was as deep as the river flowing nearby. "Rohan, you cannot hear God's answer because the noise inside you is too loud. If you want an answer, stop speaking, stop complaining, just be silent." The Master gave Rohan a challenge. "For the next 7 days, you will sit under this banyan tree, from sunrise to sunset. You will speak to no one. You will do nothing. Just look at the river and be as still as this tree." It sounded like madness to Rohan, but he had nowhere else to go, so he agreed. For the first 2 days, the silence was torture. His mind was a battlefield. Thoughts of his debt, the loneliness, the memories of his parents, everything attacked him at once. He wanted to run away. He felt God was unjust. But by the 3rd and 4th day, something shifted. Rohan noticed his anger was fading. He watched the river flowing, overcoming every obstacle without a sound. He watched the birds flying, not worrying about tomorrow's food. The rhythm of nature began to calm his chaotic heart. By the 5th and 6th day, the noise inside him finally stopped. He realized that for so long he was only focusing on what he had lost. He understood that God hadn't left him alone. Perhaps God had cleared his path to build something new. On the 7th day, it was the golden hour. The sun was setting, painting the sky in shades of orange and gold. Rohan sat there with his eyes closed. Suddenly, he felt it, a presence. It wasn't a voice, but a feeling. The wind, the river, the earth, everything seemed to hug him. He felt a whisper in his soul. "I am here. I haven't left you." Tears rolled down Rohan's cheeks, but this time they weren't tears of pain, they were tears of gratitude. He realized a profound truth. When you have nothing left but God, that is when God is closest to you. After 7 days, the old master placed a hand on Rohan's shoulder. "What did you find, my son?" Rohan smiled, a smile of pure peace. "I was looking for answers, master, but today I found faith. I realized that life removed everything, not to punish me, but to empty my hands so I could hold on to God. And whoever has God needs nothing else." From that day on, Rohan was a changed man. His debts didn't magically disappear, his parents didn't come back, but his mindset had changed. He started working again, not out of fear, but out of faith. And believe me, a man who finds strength in silence cannot be broken by the storms of the world. My friends, life will break you down. There will be moments when you feel every door is closed. When that happens, don't panic. Just pause, be silent, look within yourself. You will find that the Creator is right there with you. Remember this, when you have nothing left but God, you have enough to start over again. If this story touched your heart and gave you a little bit of hope, please show your support. Hit that like button. It helps this message reach more people who might be feeling alone today. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a story that could change your life. Comment, "I believe" down below if you trust in the plan God has for you. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and stay strong.